Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. This is City and Gills. Let's go. So the first question says a website had a 4.2 million hits. What is this number in figures? And I like what they're doing. They're basically integrating what's happening in society right now and kind of integrate it in the maths. I love this. I love this City and Gills. And that would be D. So it's 4,200,000. All right. This one says, what is 640.25 in words? So let's go through the option. It says 64. We can dash for that. $640.25. So that would be B. This one says $604, right? Not correct. $64, not correct. All right. Let's proceed. So far, so good. Hit the like button if you're just joining. In which of these numbers does the number 4, has a value of 4 hundredths? 4 hundredths. All right. Let me change this to black. You know, so black and white. Proud to be black. So basically, guys, this is just place value. So we don't have to make a big fuss. It's just place value. And what it is, you're going to be looking for a number that comes 2 place after the decimal point, right? So let's look at this. If it was right here, it would have been tenth, right? So immediately after the decimal point, you have tenth with the TH, and then you have, this one would be hundredth. So you're looking for a one with 2 place. And of course, the third one would have been thousandth, the TH. So here would be it. So that would be correct. All right. So that would be A. Let's go now. A cow produces 40 pints of milk a day. How many gallons is this? And they give you the conversion rate. So they are saying that 8 points, you can even turn it around, guys. As I discussed with my students, you can even turn it around. So 8 points is equal to 1 gallon. Or you can say 1 gallon is equivalent to 8 points. So if we have 8 points equal 1 gallon, what would 40 points equal to? All right. So clearly we can see that it's a smaller number, right? Because if it takes all of 8 to make 1, that means we're going to divide 40 by 8, and that would be our answer, which works out to 5 gallons. So our answer here would be A. All right, let's move on to the next question, which says, a small bottle will hold 50 milliliter of Angel. How many of these bottles can be filled from 5-liter container? Now, as I explained to my students, once you have maths and you have 2 different rates, you have to do some form of conversion. So based on what they want us to do, they want to see how many 50 milliliter bottles can be filled from 5 liters, right? So you have a big container and you have full out some liquor, 50 milliliter container. So I would suggest that we convert 5 liters to milliliters, right? And to do that, we have to remember that it takes 1 liter to make 1,000. So that's the conversion rate, right? So if we have 5 liters, it means that it would be 1,000 multiplied by 5 to give us the conversion to milliliters, which is, in a sense, works out to 5,000 milliliters. So think about it now. We have 5,000 milliliter and we're filling out some 50 milliliter bottles. So how we have to do now is just divide, because we have the same unit now, so we can divide by the 50 and see how much we get. 5 into 500 would give us 100. So for this one, our answer would be C. All right, let's look at number 6. It says a shopkeeper puts 3 items in a box to post to a customer. The items weigh 1.7 kilogram, 750 grams, and 98 grams. And what I want you guys to notice, please, at all times, check the units. That's something that I am emphasizing with my students. Now, this is 1.7 kilogram. This is 750 gram, different unit. Now, they want us to give our answer in kilogram. But before we do that, what we're going to do, we're going to see our total grams we have. So it's 750 grams plus 98 grams. So we want to know the total gram we have. And then we're going to convert. So we have 8, 9, and 5, 14, 4 carry 1. So that gives us 848. So now let us look at the conversion rate. All right, so what we have is 848 grams. But let us remember or recall that 1 kilogram, kilo mean 1,000, right? So 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So clearly we can see that if it takes 1,000 grams to make 1 kilogram, we can clearly see that this does not reach 1 kilogram because it's needed 1,000. So this short about 152 grams in order to make 1 kilogram. So what we do is we know it's a fraction. We divide by 1,000. All right. So we have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is right here. So we move it 1, 2, 3. So this becomes in kilogram 0.848 grams. All right. So what this means now, we are supposed to add to the 1.7 kilogram. So let's do that now. Remember, the rules state that once we're adding decimals, we put the decimal point must be aligned. All right. So what we do, we put the decimal point, we line it up exactly, then we drop in the other numbers. And as I've discussed with my students, we can put placeholder of 0 just to hold the space. And then they add 8 plus 0, which is equal to 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 and 5, 8 and 7, 15, 5 carry 1. But remember, the decimal point must be aligned. So you see? And then that becomes 2. So our answer would be 2.548 kilograms. All right, let's proceed. A length of rope measures 40 inches. 40 inches. This is approximately, and they want us to convert 2 centimeters. Now, many persons might not know this, but 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So if 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters, that means what would 2 inch equal to? Work out that in the comment section. 2 inches rather. Wouldn't that be equal to 2.5 plus 2.5? Or we could just multiply, which gives us 5, right? So based on that, we could say that if it's 40 inches, we simply just multiply 40 by 2.5, which works out to 100, right? 2 times 40 is 80, half of 40 is 20. All right, that's how you can multiply it, guys. So it would be 100 centimeters. Very nice question though, but you have to know the conversion rate. So an employee was born in October 2003. How old would the employee be in August 2022? First of all, if you're born October, you are super duper trooper awesome. All right, so let's acknowledge that fact. All right, first of all, next, we need how many months to make to go to 2004. So we have October, so let us say November, December. So we have an additional 2 months to get us to 2004, right? So when we are 2004, let us subtract to see how many years from 2004 to that. So technically, this is going to be 18 years, right? Borrow one here. Well, my students said take because you're not giving back. So basically, this work out to 18 years, right? All right. So we have 18 years plus we're going to get an additional, to reach to August, we're going to get an additional 8 months. So that means it's 18 years plus the 2 months that was off the October. Such an awesome month, I must say. And then plus the other 8 months to get. So in all, that will be 18 and 10 months, which is awesome. And that works out to be. This one is knowledge based. The temperature in a freezer should be, it's past 0, but it don't reach to 100. So it's about 18. All right. Big up to the people that live in a freezer foreign. Big up on yourself. All right. Much love. People who don't waste the money when them send it to you. All right, let's go now. We say, what is 93,263 minus 38,297? Remember, guys, you have to try the questions. That's why I'm going so slow. Go ahead and try. And type in the comment section what you guys got. Are you guys ready for the examination? All right, let's go. All right, so first, when we're doing this, guys, it's very important for us to space it out. So let's do that. All right, you don't want your work to be jumbled. Big up to all the people who sign up to my class from YouTube. I love it, guys. I love it. I must say I love it. All right. And then we have 8. So we're gonna subtract now. 7 from 3, we can't. I used to say borrow, but my students say I should say take because it ain't giving back. All right, so we take 1. So this becomes 13. 13 minus 7, which gives us 6. 9 from 5, we can't again. So we're gonna take 1. So this becomes 15. 15 take away 9, leaves 6. 2 from 1, we can't. So we're gonna take 1. 2 from 11, that leave 9. 8 from that, we can't. So we take 1. This becomes 12. And then 12 minus 8 gives us 4. 3 from 8, leave 5. So our answer would be 54,966. Who got that correct? Be honest. All right, let's look at this one now. Let's see if you guys can get this one. It says add 676,367 and 6,049. All right, you guys finished? If you're not finished, you need to work on your speed, guys. It's not hard. Come on, come on. We can do this. Let's go. So first, we set it up, we space it out. Remember, units under units. So you start from your ones, ensure that every unit is under the correct unit. And there you have it. We can add now, right? So it says add, so we're gonna just add them. 9 and 7, that gives us 16, which is 6, carry 1. 6 plus 4, that's 10, plus 1, 11. 1 carry 1. Here we have 4. 6 and 6, 12. So it's 2, carry 1, 7, 1, 1, 8, and this 6. I'm not seeing this yet. Oh, it's D. So it's D. All right, let's look at the number 12. What is 5,036 multiplied by 78? So it's 5,000. Go ahead and multiply that fast, guys. Ensure you space your work. So if you have to carry anything, it doesn't affect it, all right? So I'm going to give you guys a head start. Complete that, guys. If you don't complete it before me, work on your speed. Come on the channel and practice every single day. All right, big up to everyone who support Mr. Bennett. I appreciate you all. Now, like, all right, you guys literally helped me live my dream. So thank you guys so much. You are appreciated. But I know you guys should know that. All right. So let's multiply. So we start with our ones. So we have 8 ones. So we're gonna start with our 8 ones. All right. So let's go. So 8, 6, that's 48. So we have 4, carry 8. 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 8 times 0, 0. Plus 2, we have 2. 8, 5, 40. So put a 0, carry 4. So we space it out. All right. Now we're going to be multiplying by 70. So we put a space holder to show that we will multiply 7, 6, 42. Actually, that 4 that they already for a workout good. All right. 7, 3 is 21 plus 4, 25. This also work out. 700 and that 2, 7, 5, 35. So that's 5. I'll put our 3. Notice all my numbers are aligned. So it's very easy to add. All right. So guys, ensure you do it like this. 8 and that 2 and 8, 10, 0 carry 1. That gives us 8. This gives us 2, 9, 3. And based on this, it would be A 392808. All right, well done. This one says, what is 9,590 divided by 7? Go ahead and work out that one, guys. What's the answer? Hit the like button if you're just joining. Welcome. Ensure that you watch the playback. Ensure you dip from people 2 or part 2 also. All right. All right. So first we're gonna see 70 into 9. We can't. So it's a 70 into 95. Look where I put the 1 right here. We don't start here, right? Right here. All right, 70 times 1, 70. So we're doing it the long division way. And now we're gonna subtract 0 from 5, leave 5. 7 from 9, leave 2. So now we're gonna carry down our 9. So we're gonna see 70 into 259, right? Now 70 plus 70, that's 140. So we know it's greater than 2. 7 times 3, 210. So we know it's gonna be 3. So already I can see the answer. 70 times this gives us 210. So we could do the subtraction. 0 from 9, leave 9. 1 from that, leave 4. Carry down our 0. So this becomes 490. 17 to 490 goes 7 times. 7, 7, 49. So 700, 7.49. So there we have it. Our answer would be 137. So that would be B. All right. A shop buys 110 snacks. A shop buys 110 pack of A shop buys 110 packs of pens. Each pack contains 36 pens. How many pens in this in total? So work out that one, guys, and tell me what's the answer in the comment section. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. One thing with Mr. Benedict, gonna push it to the limit, guys. That's the only way you can improve, if you have somebody keep constantly pushing you, guiding you. Being by yourself, sometimes you're not pushing yourself. You're in a relaxed mode. So push yourself, guys. Push yourself. Let's go. All right, let's reason it out. So you have 110 pack. And in each pack, you have 3 dozen or 36. So now multiply, we have to multiply. All right, let's start with our 1, 600, 616, 616. Multiplying by 30, so we'll put our little space holder. 300, 313, and 313. Again, you notice how I align them? Numbers on the numbers, right? So it's B3960. All right, this one says, what is 935 divided by 34? So it's 935. Go ahead and work out that one, guys. You're going to get a decimal as they're shown here. But that should not be a problem, because you guys can divide by and get your decimals. So go ahead, work out that one. I think they kind of make the answer too obvious though. I think they give away this answer based on the option. So probably you guys would not have to stress over it. The answers are not so close. All right, everybody should complete that now. So we have 34 into this, 30. If a 30 can go to 93 times, but they have the 4, which are an additional 12. So then that is go 2 times. All right, 2 times 4, that's 8. 2 3 is 6. So we're gonna subtract now. 8 from 3 we can't, so we're gonna take 1. This leave 8. 8 from that, we need 2, 5, and then 8 from this, 2. So we have 255, because we're going to carry down the 5. And let's see how many 34 we can get out of this. All right. 30, 30, that's a 90, 90 and 90, 180, that's a 4, 6. Look like about 7. All right, so it will be 7. 7 fours, 28, so 2 carry 8. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus that give you 23. So yeah, I was correct. All right, so we're gonna subtract now. The decimal point would be right here, right? So clearly we can see it's this, but let us just finish it. So 8 from 5, you can't. So what we do, we take 1 from this. 8 from this leave 7, and that leave 1. Carry down our 0. We already put our decimal point, so this is 170. And 34 into 170 goes 5 times, and then we have 170. And that would be our answer, 27.5. Let's look at number 16. A shop has 15 boxes of chips with 60 packets in each box and 13 boxes of chips with 36 packs in each box. How many packets of chips is in this in total? And what do you think happen? So let us break it down. Hit the like button, guys, if you appreciate what Mr. Bennett trying to do to help everyone across the world. Not just in the Caribbean or in Jamaica, but across the entire world, the universe. All right, so our shop has 15 boxes of chips with 16 packets in each. So I could work out that first, no? So I put 15 up at top because it's easier to multiply by 60 than 15. So we'll put our 0 to hold the space. 6, 5, 30. 616 plus 3. So that's 900 in the first one. The next one have 13 boxes with 36 pockets. So let's work out that. 36 times 13. 3 6 is 18. 8 carry 1. 3 3 is 9 and 1 10. So that's 108. Put a 0 to hold the space. 166 133. So we have 864. So let's add that to it, which is 468. So 8 adding now, and then we have what? 13. So that would be D 1368. All right, let's move on to 17. A tourist saves $75 a month for 12 months to pay for its holiday that costs $720. How much money does the tourist have left? So I don't even know what them asking. If them asking how much you have left for save or how much you have left over. But it's gonna work out. So we're gonna work it out first and then, all right. So we have $75 a month for 12 months. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply 75 by 12. All right, so 2, 5, 10, 1 carries 0. 2, 7, 14, and 1, 15. So that's 150. Put a 0 to hold the space. 155 and 177. So you have 0, 5, and 5, 10. So that's $900. So technically, you have a total of $900. So you have more than the amount. So after you take out the 720, then we know. So yeah, 0, 2 from that we can't. So we borrow 1. And then we have $180. All right, let's go on to 18. And it says, what is 13.275 plus 6.88? Work out that and let me know in the comment section. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit the like button, guys. If you're watching for the first time, make sure you're subscribed. Many, many more videos on it. All right, let's go. Giving you a minute head start. What's the answer, guys? Type it in the comment section. All right, let's go. Time is up. So guys, once we are adding or subtracting decimal, it's very important to align the decimal point on the decimal point. All right, that's the first thing I normally put in. So I put in my decimal point and then I put the numbers around it. All right, and then now I put the space holder. All right, so we're adding. Let's go. 5 plus that gives us 5. 8 and 7, 15. 5 carry 1. 8 and 2, 10 and 1, 11. 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10. Remember, decimal point must line up with the decimal point. And then we have 1. So this gives us 20.155. So this would be our answer. All right, let's look at number 19. Crackers cost $120 a pack. A caterer needs 36 packs. How much would 36 packs cost? So first of all, we're going to be multiplying by 36. Since it's $1.20, we ignore the decimal point at first, and then we count the number of decimal places and put it in back. All right, so let's go. 600, 6 2s 12. 616 and that's 7. Put a 0 to hold the space. 300, 326 and 313. So we have 0, 2, 7 and 6, 13. So we have 2 decimal places in the beginning. So we must end up with 2 decimal places. meaning two numbers come after the decimal point. So what we do, put the 1, 2. So that's $43.20. Which crackers was this cheap in Jamaica? Jamaica is a poor, expensive country. I don't even get it, guys. I don't even get it. All right, let's look at number 20. It says, what is 78.45 divided by 15? Go ahead and work out that. And we're gonna stop here. So guys, ensure that you are subscribed. Subscribe now before you even work it out, so you can get it out. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, so let us set it out. I don't think this should be hard. You guys have been doing decimal. Hope you guys are doing decimal at school. And guys, people always ask me number 876-549-2161. All right, that's my number. People always ask me for it. So, all right, let's go now. So first we say 15 into 7. We can't. 15 into this, that should go 5 times, right? Since 5 times 15 gives us 75. So we subtract now. All right, so we carry down our 4. Two things happening. We carry down the 4 plus we put our decimal point. All right. 15 into 34, that goes 2 times, because 2 times that gives us 30. So now we have 4, carry down our 5, right? So this is 45. 15 into 45, that goes exactly 3 times, and we multiply. All right. So guys, this is my number for those who always ask. So our answer is, we do a B. So it's 876 5492161. Thank you guys for so much. And the name is Lennox Bennett. Thank you for being a part of my channel. I'll see you guys in another video. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.